Welcome to the Evolved Humans. Dubai offers incredible career opportunities, but success here starts with smart decisions. Before accepting any job, pause and ask yourself a few essential questions. Am I truly moving forward financially or just covering high living costs? Do I understand my rights under UAE labor law? Is this company stable, ethical, and reliable in the long run? Do I have a backup plan if things don't work out as expected? Getting clarity on these points can save you stress, money, and time. If you need support, you don't have to figure it out alone. I can help you. The first, review your job offer or salary structure so there are no surprises. Calculate real savings after rent and expenses. Understand UAE labor laws and employee rights. Plan smarter, whether you're moving alone or with your family. Dubai rewards preparation. The better informed you are before you arrive, the more confident and successful your journey will be. You can check the recommended list of books in the description box. The first thing when you are offered for a job is your contract. Your contract isn't just paperwork, it's your protection, your clarity, and your power. Too many people learn this the hard way. They start working on trust, only to discover later that the salary isn't what they expected, the hours keep stretching, or the role quietly shifts into something they never agreed to. The truth is simple. Once you start without a contract, you lose your leverage. You can't point to anything. You can't question anything. And you can't hold anyone accountable. That's why the smartest employees pause before day one. They ask, what exactly am I signing up for? They read every line. They clarify every doubt. They make sure the job title, salary benefits, and working hours match what was promised. A good employer won't rush you. A good employer won't hide details. A good employer will respect you enough to give you clarity. Your contract is your shield. Don't step into the battlefield without. Please know that as per the UAE labor laws, imagine landing a new job in the UAE, excited, hopeful, ready to prove yourself, only to realize later that no one told you about your health insurance, your leave days, or even how your salary would be paid. This is exactly why every employee here must receive certain protections by law. Your contract should spell out your role and pay. Your salary must come through the WPS system so it's traceable and on time. Health insurance isn't a perk anymore, it's mandatory across the UAE. You're entitled to annual leave, public holidays, and end of service gratuity that grows with every year you serve. These aren't privileges, they're your legal rights. And when you know them, you walk into any workplace with confidence, clarity, and the power to protect your future. Who is responsible for the employee's visa? The employer is fully responsible for arranging, paying for, and processing the employee's work visa and residency permit. This includes entry permit, medical test, Emirates ID application, residency stamping/issuance. Employers cannot legally deduct visa costs from the employee's salary or ask them to reimburse it. The visa remains under the employer's sponsorship as long as the employee works for them. When resigning, serve your notice period and ensure all dues are settled. You're entitled to pending salary and benefits. A smooth exit ensures a positive end to your employment. Knowing your rights empowers you. It fosters a positive work culture and ensures you're treated with respect. This knowledge is your tool for a successful career in Dubai. Bookmark resources like MOHRE and your HR department. Be proactive in understanding your rights. By doing so, you secure your future and build a strong career foundation. Thank you